Hey, we're gonna do a slowdown for about 5 minutes westbound 80 right there by 215. We're gonna fill those potholes on the river structure.
This is an area that we see a lot of heavy truck traffic, a lot of people coming to and from the airport, and so it's important that we keep it in as good shape as we can. And this winter, this area has experienced a tremendous amount of potholes. During the winter months, it's really our job to kind of maintain it and to do everything that we can to get through to warmer weather when we can put in a more permanent solution. This is a maintenance crew that's been out there several times to address this issue. We try to pick the time of day, or even preferably at nighttime, when traffic is a little bit less than it normally is during the morning and evening commute. We want to inconvenience people as little as possible, and we want to make the roads as safe as possible. Keeping in mind that the permanent fix probably isn't going to come until we're able to put in that new bridge deck.